This is so freaking cool.
Crazy.
Baby, we're children of summer. We're meant to be free. Hearted, we're not like the other. No reason to be.
Do you regret it?
No.
It looks so good.
Yeah, I'm excited about it still. I have like other tattoos, main tattoos I've been wanting for a long, long time.
Yeah.
But I've been waiting for this tattoo artist and she's always booked and it's like a lottery system, so
It looks good.
I'm waiting. So I wanted to get one.
Touched it.
Stop. Wanted to get just a little one.
Yeah.
I think it's cute.
What are you doing, Bug? Moving in? Or moving out again? Alright, you guys, so we are moved back into the RV. We got all our stuff back in. We're ready to hit the road. We're going to hit the road pretty soon here. Bubba's happy to be back. Are you happy to be home? Hi, bird. Say hi, bird. Are those some chickens? Look, there's a rooster over there. Hi, bird. Should we go see more birds? Alright, you guys, we're at the, whoa, let's go find some more. We're at the Mammoth Cave. Hi, bird. So we're gonna go check it out. Do some cave exploring. You wanna explore a cave? I think she's more interested in the birds at this point. Whoa, that's a peacock. Whoa, look at all these peacocks. I think that's their nest. Do you think? Wow, there's, oh my gosh, look at the emus back there.
Oh my god.
Wait, they're right here.
Is this the bird museum?
This is like your dream, Bug. You love birds.
Oh, and
Hi, bird. Are you a little scared? Do birds freak you out? Birds kind of freak me out. They don't scare me. They're just like, they're flying dinosaurs. Look at those feet. Those are dinosaur feet. I want to see the emus. I want Buck to see the emus. Look at that one sitting up there in the window. That is so funny. Look,
Yeah.
right up there. This is your place, Bug. Look at her pointing.
We should do more quirky stops like
I know, like typical road trip stops. Watch out, they might peck you. Look, Bug.
Oh, it's coming. It's coming. Okay, the emus definitely freaked me out. I've had like nightmares about emus.
Really?
They're freaky.
That is a huge bird.
What do you think about that, Bug?
Say hi, bird. She's like, that's not a bird, that's a dog bird. Oh my gosh. What is this place? This is like,
There's a giraffe.
this reminds me of like the typical like road trip stop.
Yeah, it totally
Doesn't
is.
it? Like it's just filled with some crazy, oh my gosh, look at
There's
all
a
of this.
giraffe back there.
There's a giraffe?
You have to pay. This is pay
Oh.
before entering.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Clapping her hands.
Look at all that stuff.
We have to wait.
We have to wait. We'll go see it. You say, yay. Oh, she's saying, please. Okay, you ready? They gave us some lanterns. We're on the trail to go to the Mammoth Cave. I think the opening's right over there. She really likes the peacocks. Is that a baby one? Oh. Wow, this is cool. Peacock is our tour guide. Yay! Are you ready? I see the entrance. Here we go. Down into the deep cave. Okay, lights on.
Lights on.
Exploration light. Got our
Sweaters
sweaters.
on.
Okay, here we go. Down into the depths. Whoa.
Whoa, it is cold.
Can you feel the cold?
Yeah.
What do you think's down here?
Peacocks.
Peacocks. This is
Okay,
so
this
cool.
cave is huge.
This is ginormous.
Bug's like, let me at it.
I know. Come on, Bug. Come on. Whoa. That's massive. Look at the walls. This is so freaking cool.
This is crazy. You see any bats yet?
She's like, hi bird, those are bats.
What do you think, Bug?
This is your first cave exploration. Watch out for bugs, creepy crawlies, bats. Look. Whoa. What do you think we're gonna find? Bigfoot? A bear?
It's huge. So this is a fallout shelter?
I don't know. It said fallout shelter.
So it's a man-made cave.
I don't think so. But I don't know. We'll have to read about it. The first cave explorers put their names in the lava walls in 1902. I think it's a lava tube.
Oh, like the one in Cuna?
Yeah.
From time to time, a type of cave bear used the cave for a home and winter hibernating place.
Ooh, a cave bear. Ooh. What do you see, Bug? Do you see anything? No. No?
It's pretty dark.
It's all wet. This reminds me of that scary movie, The Descent.
Yeah.
I can't even
It's
see.
really scary.
Wait, turn off your light.
No.
Well, like, put it away. That's the entrance.
Oh my gosh. That is intense. It's not wet.
Wait, shut off the light. See what happens. Let's just see how dark it is.
No.
Yeah, just real fast. Just keep your finger on the button.
Mine's off.
Oh. Oh. Mine wouldn't shut off. Whoa. Can you see anything? I'll shut off the camera. Whoa, what was that?
What was that?
June, she knows my tricks. She knows Papa all too well. She goes, "What's that?" It looks like frozen pudding or something.
Looks like goo. I'm gonna touch it.
It's probably wet.
It's not gooey.
No, it's hard.
Yeah.
I can see like water vapor in the air. Wow. We're going farther, Bug.
I feel like I'm ready to turn around. How much further does it go?
I don't know, but we're going to the end. So the cave comes equipped with a pool.
Sweet deal.
Don't know if you're
Moving
interested in that.
I see a sock. Somebody
This is where they throw the lost hikers to their sudden death. This is so cool. We've been hiking for a while.
I came expecting like, oh, okay, that's gonna be the end.
I know.
And then it's not.
Are you scared?
It's just like a little intense. Okay, we're heading back out now.
That was cool.
That was really cool. Growing up in Idaho, there was this place we used to go to. It was a lot like this.
Yeah.
The Cuna Caves, but it was like unofficial. There wasn't like a place you had to pay, and you never knew if there was going to be other people in there because it was kind of like a fun thing that like teenagers did, is sneak into the Cuna Caves, and you had to climb down this ladder. It was really freaky, but also always really fun.
That's what it reminds me of.
And that cave, there was tons of like graffiti and artwork everywhere. And you'd be walking down the cave. It's like covered. The walls were covered. Some of it was scary stuff.
That was so cool.
Was that fun, Bug?
Ooh, it's hot out here.
I know. Let's take the sweaters off. Now we're like in this sort of like collector's museum thing.
There's a lot of crazy stuff in here.
What do you think, Bug?
Hey, king salmon. That's what I fished for in Alaska.
Oh, wow.
And a halibut.
Look at all this stuff.
It's so
So some of it's like artifacts. Some of it's things like this mammoth bone.
June is just looking around like
There's a
crazy.
lot to see in here, Bug.
You got fish. Are those dinosaur bones?
These are dinosaur
Wait,
bones.
really?
I don't know. I
Oh
don't.
my god.
That's crazy. For real?
Could be.
That's
Says it.
so cool. And then I look up and I see this face.
Monk.
What?
The dinosaur tail. All the vertebrae.
You guys, this is
This
crazy.
is really crazy and cool.
Dinosaur tracks.
Like the seashell ones.
Oh, yeah.
That's real cool.
Like the other, no reason to